Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: account, 2FA, and a verified bank link. Open Accrue and choose the account type you need, then connect your bank via the app's secure flow and accept micro deposit verification. Once done, set 1 or 2 goals and the categories you'll use, because organized categories make tracking accurate. Make sure to enable push notifications for real-time updates and import a month of transactions so the app can build an initial baseline for recommendations. You now refine the dataset by reviewing imported transactions and tagging them correctly, which trains Accrue's classification. Create recurring rules for predictable items. Set dates, amounts, percent allocations, and rounding rules so forecasts stay precise. Once those rules exist, configure automation, scheduled transfers, threshold alerts, and exceptions for one-time events. Make sure to run a manual reconciliation for the past 30 days to catch anomalies. This step reduces surprises and improves forecast accuracy in future reporting. You finish by running a final reconcile. Confirm goal progress and schedule recurring reports to appear in your inbox. Export CSV or PDF if you need records for accounting or tax prep, and make sure scheduled transfers are visible in both Accrue and your bank. If something breaks, first resync the bank connection and clear the app cache, then reproduce the issue and collect logs. If the problem persists, contact support with the error logs and a short reproduction path so they can resolve it fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.